Welcome to Episode 2 of Etherpunks. This episode will cover the project that started it all. That is to say, the Cryptopunks project by Larva Labs and how it ushered in a revolution in NFTs or digital licensing, as it is done on a blockchain. In the past, digital licensing has always been done on centralized servers. Now that we have a blockchain, which is basically like a global shared database, digital licensing can be done in such a way that all apps can read these licenses permissionlessly, and the licenses are immutable and impossible to ever be lost. In fact, no matter what companies go out of business, even the ones that issue the licenses will still be around as long as these blockchains are around, which we speculate to be forever. This has some very cool implications for the future of digital licensing, and it's very exciting because these licenses can be bought and sold on third-party exchanges that have nothing to do with the original entity that created the licenses, such as Larva Labs. Without further ado, this is the Larva Labs website. It is located at www.larvalabs.com. And if you do visit there, you'll have the opportunity to click on the Cryptopunks project and read more about what's going on there. As you can see, this is a collection of 10,000 24 by 24 pixel images, like avatars. In June of 2017, Larva Labs deployed a smart contract on Ethereum. And in this smart contract, they embedded the hash of this image that has 10,000 avatars in it. And they basically stated publicly that this contract or program on the blockchain has methods to allow people to claim these 10,000 avatars for free. Once they're all claimed, then the owners of those tokens, or NFTs, Non-Fungible Tokens, can put those tokens up for resale, and other people can bid and purchase those tokens from them. And this kind of auction of these tokens is happening all day, every day, and it has been since 2017. Each day, approximately 10 to 50 of these Cryptopunks are bought and sold every single day through the Ethereum blockchain. And what Larva Labs also did was they stated that if you own the token that corresponds to the number of the CryptoPunk, such as if you own token number 1164, then you own the digital rights to the image of CryptoPunk 1164, which is very interesting. So this is kind of the first example of digital licensing, but tokenized on the Ethereum blockchain. Interestingly enough, when the CryptoPunks project was launched, there was no standard for non-fungible tokens. It was not until 6 months later, January of the following year in 2018, when EIP 721 was finalized as an official Ethereum Improvement Protocol standard on GitHub. Following the publishing of the ERC 721 standard, many more projects started launching these NFT-type digital license tokens, mostly for other artworks. And then websites such as OpenSea.io sprung up, which allow users to post these NFT tokens or artwork licenses and buy and sell and auction them off to each other. The really interesting part about this is that OpenSea has nothing to do with Larva Labs, and yet you can buy and sell the Larva Labs CryptoPunk licenses for the avatars on OpenSea, or on many other websites that are similar to OpenSea, such as Known Origin or Rarible.com. And the reason why this is possible is because all of these websites use Ethereum as the backend database. And because they're all using the same database backend and the same ERC 721 protocol, that means that we're finally leaving the old adage where licenses belong only in a centralized silo to a centralized company, and now they are free and open like a standard protocol like TCP/IP. This has huge implications for the future of the internet, if you cannot already tell.